Hello again. Going to try something a little bit different this time. Going to try and build this kit in real time without pausing. So if I make a mistake, I make a mistake. Let's see what kit I've got, because it's not that good. Well, not that complicated. The usual Chinese bit of paper. All the bits are out. So this is a simple circuit. We've got 2 rows of LEDs, 2 capacitors in the middle, 2 transistors either side, 2 fixed resistors in the middle, 2 variable resistors on the outside, and power there. And I think all this is going to do is flash between the 2 rows of LEDs, and they will flash. The speed of this will be determined by the 2 variable resistors at the bottom there. Quite a simple kit, but let's see if we can do this and how quickly we can do this on the bench. Now, I was going to use a vise up here, but thinking about it, I might not, because once I get the clamps on it, I haven't got much room to put the components, so I'm going to alter the camera. Let's see if we can do it actually on the bench. Yeah, let's see how that goes. Right, okay, so what's things first? Well, I think we're going to do the 2 transistors first. So on the transistors, we've got a flat and a round side, so you just have to make sure that you match up the flat and the round side on the circuit board. Like so. That's one done. Oops, got a stray leg there. Let's just do that again. There we go. So that's got the 2 transistors in place. Let's have a look at the resistors, shall we? You try and do the components that's closest to the circuit board first and work your way out. So these 2 resistors are exactly the same, so there's no need to test them. There we go, that's one done. That's the other one done. So we just need to solder these up. Okay, let's get them done. See, normally with things like this, I would have paused the video or sped it up or something. So you're watching this, like I say, in real time. Right, that's got them done. Okay, I think the next ones we'll do then is the LEDs. So we've got 2 rows of LEDs. On the circuit board, we've got a little plus mark, and again, don't forget the long leg is plus, so we'll have the green LEDs just there. So put those in. It's got the LEDs in, so let's just solder those up now. Right, that's got one leg done. Okay, that's got the other leg done. Let's just take off those legs. Right, let's get the red LEDs in then. Again, the long leg is the positive, so it goes to the positive mark on the board. Okay, let's solder those up now then. Whoops, look at that. That LED's moved. So we've only done one leg, so let's just heat it up and just pop it into place. There we go. That's it. Right, and there's a second leg. Let's get these done. Right, that's got the other LED leg done. These legs are pinging all over the desk. I'm going to have to clear them up later. Right, okay, so that's got the 2 rows of LEDs done. Let's get the capacitors done now in the middle. Again, long leg, short leg, and we've got a plus marked on the circuit board, so make sure the long leg goes to the plus. There we go, that one in there, and other way around for that one. The marking the negative or the ground on the capacitor goes to the side on the circuit board that's got the markings on it as well. Right, that's got the 2 capacitors in. Just bend the legs slightly so they don't, or hopefully don't move. Right, let's get them soldered up. There we go, that's got the capacitors done. Now I'm keeping those capacitor legs for a particular job, and I'll show you in a minute why I'm going to keep the capacitor legs. Right, okay, so next thing then is the last two items, which are the variable resistors, and I've just noticed just there we've got a bit of a solder blip, which is going to cause us not to be able to put that component in. So let's see if I can get, I can't seem to get rid of it, so right, okay, I'm going to need me solder socket. Yeah, one of the holes for the components has just got a splash of solder on it, so we just need to clear that out. Has that got it? Oh, very nearly. There we go, let's clean it out. Right, okay, so these just clip into place. Yep, that's one done. And the other one. There we go. Okay, and we can get those soldered in place as well. There we are, there we have it. That's all the components done, and I'm just doing a quick check, a quick eye check at the moment to see if there's any soldering joints that I really need to redo. No, everything looks okay. Just double checking the components on the top of the board here, make sure they're all straight and in place, which they look okay. So why did I keep those legs? Well, what I'm going to do is just solder, because these holes for the plus and minus are very small, so I'm just going to solder a little leg on here, and then I can attach my crook clips to it for the power. So that's one done. Oh, no, it hasn't quite caught. There we go, that should hold it. Right, that's one done. I know what you're thinking. You should have a proper wire on this. I know that, but this is just for quickness for the video. God, my end of my soldering line is really, really bad. I'm going to have to change it, I think. Oh, dear. See, normally I would edit all this sort of thing out. Right, come on then, stay there. Stop laughing at me. Right, stay there. Come on. Let's get this done. Has that got it? Yeah, that's got it. Great. Right. Trim that leg off. Okay, so here we go. On the circuit board it says 3 to 5 volt. So, crook clips. Turn the bench power supply on. I'm going to set it for 4 volts. And the plus is this side. And the negative is this side. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we've got the red is flashing, but the green is not. Why is that? Screwdriver, there we go. There we go. So just needed the variable resistor changing. Right, there we go, one circuit done, flashing away. You can change the speed with the variable resistors at the side. There we go, one quick kit build within, what, quarter of an hour? Let's turn all the lights out so you can see. Oh, that's not very good, is it? Swamped out the by the camera, but there you go. One quick kit build. Hope you liked it. If you like what I do, please subscribe. If you don't like what I do, please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon. Next time, I promise, not one kit build in one take. I promise I'll, do my usual stuff. Thanks for watching.